पंचायत आज तक में। इससे अच्छा टाइमिंग मेरा ख्याल कभी हो नहीं सकता, क्यों महाराष्ट्र के इलेक्शंस अभी अनाउंस हुए हैं अक्टूबर 15 को, और मैं अभी कह सकता हूं कि आज तक को पहले ही पता था कि इलेक्शंस होंगे, इसलिए हमारा पंचायत आज तक है और इसलिए आज तक को हम सबसे तेज कहते हैं। Maharashtra is now getting ready for another election, and we are also getting ready with our coverage. The Maharashtra elections have a great significance, and this is for several reasons. Maharashtra, as we all know, is the second most important state in Lok Sabha seats after UP. It has 48 seats, and therefore anything which happens in Maharashtra is very important. It's also the first election after Narendra Bhai Modi became Prime Minister. And as Anjana said, we have to see where is this wave, is it going to continue or is it not going to continue, which the nation was engulfed by. Secondly, this will be a test for the newly appointed BJP President, Mr. Amit Shah, who has been the champion of UP, delivering 73 seats to NDA during the last general elections. This is also the first assembly election in the state after the death of Balasaheb Thackeray. People of Maharashtra will indeed miss him. He was a great personality here with his aggressive speech, his wonderful way to capture the audience, and so he will be very badly missed in this election. This is also the testing time for Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, who has very kindly joined us here, who will single-handedly carry on the show minus the senior Thackeray. And the other Thackeray, Raj Thackeray, whose political party MNS I think is still finding its feet, will also be here later on in the day. In this election, we will also miss its two young and promising leaders of Maharashtra, Vilasrao Deshmukh and Gopinath Munde, whose untimely death has finally left a void. The last few assembly elections has thrown a trend that indicates clearly a shift of voting patterns in favor of development. During the election campaigning in Maharashtra in 2004, the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had promised to turn Mumbai into a global metropolis like Shanghai. I don't think that has happened. Corruption has been the next talking point and is definitely a big issue in this election. Interestingly, the one who brought the issue of corruption on the national scene is a man from Maharashtra, Anna Hazare. He raised a revolution against corruption in the country, but his own state remained immune to his charm. We have always tried to be innovative and unique in our programming, especially in our coverage of the elections. The time has come to brings me to your continuing the same tradition with renewed vigor. With all eyes on the poll and the process, we will try to make it easier for you to make your choice. We will debate, we will discuss, and we will leave it up to you to make up your mind. No issue shall remain untouched, no question to be left answered. This is the purpose of this political conclave, and it couldn't come at a better time, as I said. Hopefully, at the end of the day, you will return home more enlightened and clear-headed about the choices you're going to make. Thank you again for coming in Panchayat Aaj Tak. Enjoy the day with all the big players in the Maharashtra election. Thank you very much.